Probably my absolute favorite Marcus Miller tune to play is his cover of Higher Ground by Stevie Wonder. So what I'm going to do today is walk you through exactly how to play this song on your bass. If you're new to slap bass, it's not super hard, but you gotta have some basics down. I put together a download you can buy on my website right now called the Electric Slap Bass Method Volume 1. And it's about an hour of video and a bunch of exercises in a PDF that really help you nail down precisely what you need to do to start building up your slap chops. The studio recording starts off with this, starting somewhere like here, coming up, do it again, muted pop, and then just three muted notes, and then a slide down. And then it gets into the groove. Before I go any further in this lesson, I do want to point out this song is an E flat standard. So I am E flat, A flat, D flat, G flat. Oh, I am tuned down a half step. I think that's part of what makes this song really just hit. It's like punch right in the gut. that first note. Especially the studio recording, his tone is just insane. I'm just gonna use the names of the notes as they are in standard tuning. E octave, just like that. Open E, 2nd fret D string. Then we have a slap, pop, slap, slap, hammer on, pop, slap, slide, pop. 1, 2, a triplet, 1. So notice this song is in 12/8. The easiest way to think about 12/8 is that it's 4 beats per measure, but each beat is like a triplet, 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 triplet. 1, 2, a triplet, slap, pop, slap, slap, hammer on, pop, slap, slide, pop. So that's that first measure. The second measure of the groove is that. So the way I play this, you have E, E, and then muted pop, muted slap, pop, pop, like a. So this is really using the E blues scale. Now what's interesting is we have these 8th rests in here between the pops, and what ends up happening is when I set up for the pops, I get a little percussive sound. You can hear it in his recordings too. It's not like a true like muted slap. It's just a little, your palm is just gently tapping to set up for those pops. So what we got is and then we have a 10th fret slap, 7th fret little trill. Just going back and forth between 7 and 8. So this little move here, 7, 9, and up. That rhythm is a little weird because it's like every other 8th note in that triplet. So it's like syncopated triplets. If you're really struggling with that rhythm, I got a metronome pulled up. We're just gonna mute all the strings and we're gonna practice triplets to help you get this rhythm down. So we got triplet, 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 slap, pop, slap, pop. So you should be getting a slap, pop, slap, pop, slap, pop. Slap, pop, slap, pop, slap, pop. 1, 2, ready, and triplet, 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 triplet. 1, 2, ready, and. The pops here are already the rhythm we need. So here, I'll do the whole thing at this tempo. 1, 2, ready, and... Okay, so of course, what actually makes this pretty challenging is the tempo. It's cooking a little bit. So I got the metronome up at 126. So I'll give you a little run through. Here's what it sounds like. 1, 2. It's tough to get the groove right. It's like super laid back, but it is still quick. So you gotta find that perfect balance. Okay, so I just did a quick bit of research there. Got my metronome out. The live version by Marcus Miller is 126. The studio version is 122. Now the studio version of the original by Stevie Wonder starts around 122, but it gradually gets slower. So by the end, it's closer to 126. So, gradually gets slower. Gradually gets faster. So by the end of the song, it's at 126. I say practice it at 126. That feels like a sweet spot. And then the magic is if you play this with other people and you can get that groove locked in. It doesn't matter where your tempo settles in, but if you can get it really tight, it feels really good. Just a reminder, all those BPMs are dotted quarter note. Dotted quarter note equals 126. Alright, so that is how to play Marcus Miller's Higher Ground. If you enjoyed this lesson, maybe you can go watch the lesson down here on more slap bass goodies, or you can go to my channel, check out what I got to offer. Hopefully I'll see you around soon. Alright, bye.